Yeah, hi, this is Gauri Shankar from Chennai. It's been 1.5 years before I had a small abscess. For the same, I just consulted my local hospital in Chennai and got treated for removing the abscess. But again, after 2 to 3 months, I had the discomfort and pain. So it was keep on occurring for almost 2 to 3 months. Then I thought, okay, I need to consult a good doctor. So that's where I came to know about Dr. Ashwin Porwal through YouTube and in Google. I have just checked. So ever since I met doctor, I think he did a thorough investigation of my problem using proctoscopy and explained the things. And after which I think everything was smooth. I think I got operated for here fistula, as well as I had a small hemorrhoids. So today is my third follow-up, and I am happy that doctor declared that I am completely fistula free. So it was a very a bit 3 months of journey, but overall I think Dr. Ashwin's his meticulous care in patients and his entire team was so good. So whatever the doubts I had, I used to check with Shushmita doctor as well, and also Dr. Ashwin. So I would say the journey is really good, and I'm happy that I got cured in healing hands. So thanks to Dr. Ashwin Porwal and his entire team. So yeah, I'm very happy. Thanks.